All right, we're going to show you some beautiful fabrics this morning. I've got three combinations, and the reason I did these is they blend so well together. This first is a Ralph Lauren. This is a cotton. It has stretch in one direction, 100% cotton. So what that means is those vibrant colors will be really nice and vibrant. Isn't that beautiful? Very tropical, very summery, very pretty. 100% cotton, soft, wonderful. All right, then I paired with it, it's got a little bit of texture to it, and the texture is a floral, so it blends, um, well, floral animal, just a real soft texture, so it blends with this really pretty. What I did is I did a scarf with this. Now this has a silk in it. It's a cotton silk poly blend. We don't have a lot of it, but it's just such a pretty fabric. It's really beautiful. This next pairing, Wild Thing, we called it. It's 100% viscose, great drape, beautiful drape, stretch in both directions. And I love this. Great top, great little free little jacket. It'd be all kinds of fun, very nice. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of texture for spring and summer. This is 100% cotton. Now it's a black. Bring that close and hold it. It's a crepe, and it's both sides are usable. So there's so many things. It has great drape. It's 100% cotton. It has great drape. So I mean, it would just be perfect for pants, just a whole ensemble. It could be just really monochromatic. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful base. And again, 100% cotton, so it's a beautiful fabric. 100% viscose. I had a lady in the store who bought this and said, her goal was to pair it with all these different bottoms, and she's right. It would pair with all these different bottoms. I love this fabric. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's really beautiful and great drape. And then this I put in because we have so many, it's a Wedgwood. It's kind of a Wedgwood blue. It's got a little bit of poly in it, yet it's got great drape. It's a crepe back satin, but a very, light sheen. I love the color. I mean, it could do pants, it could do tops, blouses, whatever you do with it. It's got great drape and it's going to be beautiful. So, and it pairs well with this, is why I put it in. This blue in here, it just really has a nice pairing with that. So I put those together. Just, isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so pretty together. And it's nice with black, but it just really brings it out with that blue. Like I said, it's like a deep Wedgwood blue. Very pretty. So these are just to have fun, enjoy your Saturday, and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.